Welcome back to Homeland Networks. My name is AJ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Plex in your home lab. So first off, log into your server. We need to create a virtual machine that's going to run Linux Ubuntu Live Server or your distro of choice. Plex. So choose your storage. Make sure you have the live server downloaded and uploaded to Proxmox. Could, if you want to also do this in a container on Proxmox, but I just prefer the virtual machine. A lot of this will just be default, so just keep clicking next. That's fine. I'll also give it 2 cores. Memory's fine. I'll be using this to stream and upload videos to make sure you upgrade your memory. And I like to change this to the network card. Once your machine has booted up, we'll go through the install process to get this installed. So English, done, yes. We're just going to give it an IP address of 132. Skip the proxy address, skip. So just hit spacebar and select use entire disk, unless you want to partition it. Done. Continue. Name your server. Pick your username. I just keep mine all on the same. I advise don't do that, but I'm just lazy. Create a password. Now this will be the password you use to SSH into your server. Done. Install open SSH server so we can putty into it. And click done. I like to use putty to do this task, but use any SSH programming you're comfortable with. So hostname. Always just write an update. I'll have these websites in the description, these commands. So we're just going to copy and paste these to then install Plex, and then if it goes to plan, it should work. So we'll grab the first one. We'll go and grab the second one. And then we want to sudo apt install Plex media server, no spaces. Sudo snap install Plex media server. From here on in, it should download and install fine. Just by putting the same IP address as your server, and then we're going to go colon, and port number is 32400/web to get to the web interface for Plex. You have Plex in your home lab. You got it? For the moment, we'll just exit out of this. Give it a name. Alright, and there you have it. So guys, that's how you install Plex in your home lab to have your own media server. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next Homeland video.